Good project management practices bring value to your organization. It helps you establish standard processes, tools, techniques, and a common language throughout the organization to ensure that projects deliver great results. One of the benefits of project management is that it puts at your reach a set of tools, templates, techniques, and processes to successfully complete your projects. There is no one-size-fits-all in project management. Your organization is unique in the types of projects and initiatives that are carried out. So implement project management practices to fit your own situation. Good project management adds value in many ways. This value can be realized with benefits like higher stakeholder satisfaction, faster execution, and improved decision-making, and many other benefits. If you want to learn more about project management, reach out to us and let us help with your project management needs.